Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today's discussion centers on a crucial subject: the security of hotels in the hospitality industry. Hotels and hospitality venues are designed to be welcoming spaces, but behind the comfort and elegance lies a serious responsibility: security. Guests expect not only great service but also the assurance that they, and their belongings, are safe. That's where security camera systems play a vital role. From the moment guests arrive, cameras monitor entrances, parking areas, and lobbies to deter unauthorized access and suspicious activity. In hallways and elevators, discreet surveillance helps protect guests and staff by discouraging theft, harassment, or vandalism. For hotel operations, cameras are equally essential. They secure sensitive areas like kitchens, stockrooms, and offices, ensuring staff safety while reducing risks of internal theft. At front desks and check-in counters, surveillance provides visual records that can resolve disputes and prevent fraud. Integrated with modern access control and monitoring software, today's hotel security systems allow real-time alerts and remote viewing, giving management the tools to respond quickly to incidents, protect property, and ensure a secure guest experience. By blending technology with hospitality, cameras don't just protect buildings, they build trust and peace of mind, allowing guests to focus on relaxation while staff can concentrate on service. At Comm Systems, we design and install advanced security solutions that help hotels and hospitality providers safeguard their people, their property, and their reputation. Thank you for watching Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.